May I now request our beloved director, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, to deliver the presidential address.
The faculty members, alumni, staff members and students and invitees, very good afternoon to all of you. It's a great pleasure to participate in this momentous felicitation function to honor Sri Bhagwant Khubaji, our alumnus, who was inducted to the Union Ministry as Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers, New and Renewable Energy in the recent expansion of Central Ministry. Shri Khubaji joined our institute in 1987 and completed his BE degree from the Department of Industrial Production. That was the name of the course that was available at that period. I am given to understand that Sri Khubaji was regular in his studies and was liked by all faculty members. After graduation, he was into civil construction and agriculture. Later, he joined politics and contested from Bidar parliamentary constituency in 2014 and 2019, winning with huge margins, defeating very senior contestants. His loyalty to the party, committed work as a member of parliament, particularly the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, which was of great help for the farming community in Bidar district. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji hailed the contribution of Shri Khubaji for the successful implementation of this scheme in Bidar district in his Man Ki Baat. Honorable Prime Minister had interaction with members of parliament from different states regarding the implementation of centrally sponsored schemes to reach common man. In this connection, he was appreciative of the work culture and commitment of Sri Khubaji regarding the developmental works. Sri Khubaji is an ardent disciple of Sri Siddhaganga Mutt and our Swamijis. The blessings of Almighty and our Swamijis will certainly give him strength to continue his work, which is very good work, appreciated by everyone, including our respected Sri Khubaji. We, the management, faculty and staff members, alumni, students, devotees and well-wishers of Sri Siddhaganga Mutt, we are proud of you and congratulate you on your success. We thank you for sparing your valuable time to be present in this function. I will take another minute or so, because I was given 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over, and this 1 minute I will take. We witnessed the Pushpanjali program, which reminded us the donor of Tumkur, namely G.M. Siddharamana. Whenever a function like arranged with Sri Shivakumar Swamiji, it was cartloads of flowers came from everywhere in Tumkur and nearby places, and that was G.M. Siddharamana. It was not just showering the person or persons with a lot of different varieties of flowers, but what Siddharamana did, it was not only spending on flowers, but whatever he had earned throughout his lifetime, he devoted and he gave it for the good of students, poor students of Tumkur district and elsewhere. This was the G.M. Siddharamana, and I was reminded of that. I was the witness in so many, With this, I should be ending my so-called speech. I take this opportunity also to announce I had deposited some amount in securities. I think that is matured, and with that I decided I should donate 1 lakh of rupees for, and I am giving you this. I have announced all right, but don't wait for long. Very soon, because people have seen me moving with a stick in the morning and the evening. Therefore, try to get the check as early as possible. This is my request. Thank you very much.